Alright, what's up everybody? Hey, I know it's been a long time. It's been a long time. But thank you for staying with me, man. I appreciate y'all. Y'all the best in my DJ Khaled voice, man. Y'all the best. I'm out here trying to do this little quick video. You know, it's getting kind of cold out here right now. I haven't flown that much, so I want to see if I can just test myself and mess with these big old tubes here. I would jump down there and get a little vlogger down there, but that would be trespassing, and where I live, they don't like that, especially when you got my face, but, and my hair. We just gonna hit it from here, you know? Y'all just got to see what I get, you know? Hopefully I don't crash, you know, and have to go down there and trespass. But for my quad, I will trespass. We're gonna see what we can do with this, you know? We're gonna see what we can do. Hopefully I don't have a fail-safe with all that metal and shit. Damn it, I left my Tyrannus strip. You get everything together and you get to the spot and then you realize you forgot something. What the fuck? Oh. Alright, you bitch, you better stay recording too. Stop being a bitch and fuck with these people. Damn it! Fail safe like a motherfucker. Well, looks like I'm hopping a gate. Alright, let's see if I can hop a gate. We're all recording. Oh shit! Oh shit, I'm dope. Dope sauce. Okay. Now, I'm officially trespassing. Shit. Damn it. Shit. Alright. I'm gonna stand right here and be a little closer, hopefully. Police don't come. There you go. That was a nice little crash. Be right back. She's all wet, but I'm gonna keep pushing her. She's a trooper. And she's not recording because I got her stuck in water. But these tubes are fucking fun. Look at this shit. super echo. I gotta hurry up before I get in fucking trouble. Fuck that shit.
I'm taking these shots like it's Novocaine. Yeah. Ooh, I fall apart. Time to my core. Ooh, I fall apart. Time to my core. Ooh, I fall apart. Time to my core. Time to my core. Didn't know before. Surprised when you caught me off guard. Hardest damn jewelry I bought. You was my shorty I thought. Never caught a feeling this hard. Harder than the liquor I pour. Tell me you don't want me no more, but I can't let go. Everybody told me so. Feeling like I sold my soul. Devil in the form of a whore. Devil in the form of a whore. You said it. Oh, you said it. Oh, you said it. We beat it again. Oh, I fall apart. Time to my core. Oh, I fall apart.
Alright, I want to thank you guys for tuning in for another video from your boy, the TwinCityFpv guy. You know, as you can tell, I did change my name. Twin City Flyers, just way too much for you to fit in one sentence. So, TwinCityFpv sounds a lot better to me. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for tuning in and watching my videos and staying subscribed. Just show me some love. Throw a comment down there, whatever you want to do. Negative, positive, whatever you choose to do. Throw a comment on there. Just let me know how you feel. Thank you for watching my videos, and I appreciate you guys for staying subscribed and staying involved with the FPV hobby and what we do. So stay tuned for new shit that I got coming to you. Peace.